What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Good morning. It's actually day 3, I think day 3 or day 2 right now, and I'm going back out in the water again just to see what we can catch today, because I mean the weather is here and it's not the best right now, and we travel like 47 miles offshore, so the weather here, everything over this side is actually different. So we're going back in the water right now. Hopefully I can do a next video for you guys today. Maybe some catch and cook, or just a free diving or something. Yesterday we had to deal with some conch because the weather and can't go where all the fish are. So let's see. Alright, but stay tuned. Everybody up on the boat already apart from me. Don't know what it is. Wait for me.
Man, yeah, we just kill one, but that is spread the same color, so you lick the one and the bigger one, they not take a shot. know if I don't want to call so. Me are work. Eh? And millions of them now, they enough. Then they come on and come on direct.
Why not go and pack it come? Why not go and pack it come then, man? Yeah, Pete, let's look at that. Come for days. And as you guys know, the band lift and come, so we have a certain limit. But this is not even part or half of it. Trust me. You want to dive into the water work. You know, we have 5 divers in the water. So yeah. I mean, the expense of this trip was costly, so we can't find any fish. So we try to get combs, alright? Yeah, man. Captain yeah, guys, you don't know what's going on there. Yeah, man, we're going to one enough. Alright guys, so what really happened right now? Yeah guys, so what really happened right now is that sudden decision was made just now. We have to go leave. Yeah, we have to go leave because the ice in the ice box with the fish them are melt out and things like that. So right now we just have to pack up and get ready. The ice in my melt out, sorry. And we'll just get ready and head us see back to Jamaica and London, alright? Yeah man.
Last time I tell you, I stuck you over in our boat. Remember now, put the dynamic like boat now. I rock it up.
Again, God go with us to reaching safe and sound. Yeah man, you guys will get a chance to get this video, alright? Yeah man, so stay tuned and until we reach home, peace out, God bless, and I'll see you soon, alright? Yeah guys, so right now we reach backyard.
Finally reach.
We are Jamaica you know.
We need one each. Do this one sit right now.
Don't know.
Oh boy, Peter. Every man I come out, you grab something out. You want to go. You want to go for reach. What got to do?
Alright guys, so right now, like I said earlier, we're reaching and thing, you know, we are going to unload the boat. But I just saw the video go in. So maybe another day I may do some cook up and some I conquer or something. I record it or if I sell it or something. But until next time, peace out, God bless, and one love. Catch you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.